spend 3 to 4 hours just studying only to close the book and realize you remember almost nothing? Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Alicia, just a regular student who got tired of wasting time. And today I'm breaking my 5-part system, which includes consuming, processing, retrieval, recalling, and applying. First part of the system is how we consume information. That is, when you watch lectures or read your textbook. Stop reading textbooks from top to bottom like a novel. That's passive and terrible for your memory. Instead, use this proactive strategy. Before you read a single word, identify the main idea of the passage. What's this talking about? The second thing in consuming comes categorizing or chunking your information. Break big topics into small, manageable chunks. Categorize them by date, by figure, by consequence, etc. The third comes pattern recognition and connections. Learning is not a linear process. It's made up of only connections. Lastly, it is creating mental images. If you can't visualize it, you don't understand it. Do these while consuming and you will understand and absorb way more than rereading or highlighting your notes. This is the part where people skip most of the time, and it's where the real learning happens. Create diagrams and flowcharts. Explain the concept out loud, like you are explaining a friend that knows nothing about the topic. If you get stuck somewhere, that means you don't understand the topic. Third, summarize in your own words. Close the book and write the summary from your memory. No copying. Fourth, turn notes into questions. Instead of writing the Battle of Hastings was in 1066, question, when was the Battle of Hastings held? Questions force your brain to retrieve information, and retrieval is what strengthens memory. Now we move to the power steps, the core of your learning. That is retrieval. Force your information out of the brain without looking your notes. This technique is 10x more effective than your rereading. Don't cram everything at once. Review it after certain intervals of time. Like you reviewed it today, and then tomorrow, and then after 3 days, and then further after a week. The last, apply. Do practice questions and connect it to the real life. This turns knowledge into a very usable skill. Try one idea from this video today and let me know how it goes in the comments. If you want more videos on learning, productivity and focus, do subscribe my channel.